Are you frustrated because the scrolling feature just stopped working in Chrome? You're dragging the mouse wheel or swiping your touchpad, but nothing happens on your favorite sites. It's annoying, right? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a straightforward fix that often solves this problem. By the end of this video, you'll not only have smooth scrolling back in Chrome, but you'll also understand exactly why this solution works, so you can use it again if the issue pops up. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open your computer's control panel, which is where Windows stores its system settings. Click the search bar on your taskbar. That's the little search box usually found at the bottom left of your screen, right next to the Start button. Type in Control Panel. You'll see it pop up in the search results. Go ahead and click on it. If you're used to opening programs directly, this search bar is a handy shortcut for pretty much everything. Now, when the Control Panel window opens, you may notice that everything's organized into strange broad categories like hardware and sound, or system and security. To make things much easier to find, look at the top right of the window. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled View By. By default, it probably says Category. Click on that and then switch it to Large Icons. This instantly makes all the individual settings appear as clear icons spread across the window. It's much more straightforward, almost like looking at an app menu on your phone, so you can spot exactly what you're looking for. Your next step is to look for the icon labeled Mouse. It'll look like a little computer mouse, easy to recognize. Go ahead and click on that and you'll open up a menu of mouse settings. These options control everything from pointer speed to button behaviors, but today, we're interested in fine-tuning how your mouse scrolls. At the top of the mouse settings window, look for a tab called Wheel. Click on that tab. The wheel settings allow you to adjust how many lines your screen moves every time you make a notch movement with your mouse wheel. This might sound technical, but here's a simple way to think about it. Setting a higher number means your screen scrolls more with each wheel movement. A lower number means it moves less. Now, set the vertical scrolling value to 7. That means every time you scroll up or down, your page moves 7 lines at a time. For horizontal scrolling, which is moving side to side, set that value to 4. These numbers are a sweet spot for most folks. Not so slow that scrolling feels laggy, and not so fast that you overshoot where you're trying to go. If you're the type of person who likes reading long articles or browsing social media, this setting tends to feel very natural. Once you've put in those numbers, look for the Apply button. It's usually at the bottom right. Click it to save your changes. Then hit OK to close the window. That's it. You have just reset your mouse scroll settings, and usually, this fixes the Chrome scrolling issue right away. Just as a heads up, these changes affect how your mouse scrolls not only in Chrome but across all your programs. It's a good universal fix if scrolling is feeling off everywhere, not just Chrome. If you don't notice a change right away, try restarting Chrome and testing your scroll on a few different web pages. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped get your scrolling back to normal, tap that like button and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have questions. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tech tutorials to keep your devices running smoothly. See you in the next video.